I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to the Bit Integrations plugin dashboard. Create integration. Search for and select newsletter as a trigger. Now choose a form or a task name. Click the Fetch button. Next, go to your form page. Fill out the form and submit it. The data has been successfully retrieved. Set action. Search and select Action Flowlu. Give here an API key and company name. So please visit the Flowlu API key. Portal setting. Copy the company name and paste it here. API setting. Create. Give here a meaningful name. Give all permission by checking the box. Save. Copy the API key and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose an action. Choose account type. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Flowlu site and go to Contacts. You can see the data came successfully in the Flowlu site. Thanks for watching.